The cooking demonstration today is a celebration of Tasmania's fantastic fresh and seasonal produce, and we're really here to inspire Tasmanians to really create delicious meals that are not only enjoyable to eat but are good for their health.
Italian background, I grew up with having a beautiful garden full of lots of produce, which I never really appreciated as a 10-year-old. And the table for us was a really great place for our family to come together, talk about what's going on in our lives. And I think food kind of brings us together. Today we're going to make a beautiful salad. These ingredients are fresh. I'm going to show people how to prepare them in front of them. This is a salad hopefully that they can make on Christmas Day and get a bit of inspiration. And also going to make ricotta. One of the most wasted foods in Australia is milk. And I think showing people how to make a little really simple cheese using a little bit of milk and some lemon juice will go a long way. Food is joy. And I think if I can bring that joy, I'm inspiring, not just chefs, but for people just to kind of get around the table, get around food, and understand that it really does make you do a lot more if you've got the right ingredients going into your system.